In today's video, you are going to learn how to create amazing AI-generated videos using Lit Media. Specifically, you are going to be creating videos like the one you will see on screen right now. Pretty amazing, right? And you can hop on to follow along with the tutorial in Lit Media by using the link in the description. So make an account, get some credits, and let's get started. So first of all, Lit Media is a place where multiple subscriptions from AI tools live in. They have recently put up some amazing new models and amazing functionalities you are going to love. One of them is Infinite Canvas. It's amazing for agencies and advanced users to create a workflow of AI nodes, including images, videos, even audio nodes, and connect everything into replicated and observable, explainable flows. So the first thing you need to do is, for example, select image. So what you will do here is you can add an image node, type a prompt into what you want to generate. You can select the image model. You got loads of options such as GPT Image 2, Seedream 5, Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana 2. I go with GPT Image. You can select the aspect ratio, resolutions, whatever you want. And for this, I'm going to go with a simple 9:16, low quality mode, 1K resolution. Let's generate an image as simple as that. And then by clicking the plus sign, we can add a video node. So here we can again select the aspect ratio of the video, the resolution, the video model that we want to use. There are multiple options, including Seedance, 2.0 VIP, and Fast VIP. These are super amazing for YouTube Shorts, product advertisements, TikTok. They're so good and so powerful. You can select again, as we've said, aspect ratio, resolution, duration of the video, and boom, we can see here that the cat was created. And then what we can say is animate the cat cooking the fish, slow, smooth movements. Boom. And we can generate a clip, and this is how we can connect workflows in this Infinite Canvas. We can go ahead and add other nodes here, completely disconnected, select every option, and this is a super powerful option and super powerful setting. This is the Infinite Canvas. It really makes creating videos, images, and connecting everything so good. Like, there's so many capabilities. You should absolutely try it out. Also, they've got these daily check-in rewards that every day that you log in, you can claim credits, you can claim gifts that will allow you to use Lit Media even more. The most powerful thing is that all of this is combined under a single subscription. If you want to follow along, as I've told you, I've got a link down below in the description. A huge thanks to Lit Media for sponsoring this video and giving me credits to show you these workflows. And you can pretty much customize all of your options. You can get up to 100 videos with just $70 per month. You get also subscription costs off, or you can just buy credits if that's your needs. So as we wait for the generation to happen, I want to show you a couple of more settings. Recently, they've put up AI audio, where you can create audios, music, and AI covers. Let's select the AI audio option. Here we got Seed Audio 1.0. We give it a prompt, we select the sample ratio. We also got advanced settings to set exactly how the voice is going to be, the volume, the pitch, and the speech rate. And boom, you hit the generation and you get your AI audio. Simple as that. I would highly suggest that you check these things out. In the past, we've seen AI music, which was such a powerful and amazing feature. Literally, you can create amazing songs with Lit Media. And again, as we've said, all under single subscription.
The water is cold and the sea is deep.
Look at how beautiful this AI audio was. Like, it was so perfect. Also, they've got the very well-known AI video options where you can go from an image to a video or a text to video. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use Seedance 2.0 with the VIP setting. We're going to go from frames to video. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this asset. We can click Enhance Prompt, so our prompt is automatically improved by AI. We can set the duration, the video quality, and the aspect ratio, and then we click generate. So let's go ahead and check out the video that was generated on the canvas. Let me put it on full screen so we can all have fun with it. Let's check it out. This is beautiful, so beautifully animated, so amazing. Really, really love it. Let's go ahead and create another node and go ahead and say to it, generate a cartoonist blue fish. And I'm going to show you something super, super cool right now. So stay tuned. Literally, I have fallen in love with this canvas feature that Lit Media has put up. It's so amazing. And very, very soon, Seedance 2.5 is going to be available. It's going to be absolutely insane. Then you can go ahead and grab these two images and combine them. You can do, like, for example, place a 3D fish like image 1 in image 2 in place of the fish that is cooked. So like that, you can combine assets into a simple workflow. I'm also going to change the aspect ratio and let's check it out. And all of this is done inside the canvas. Super simply, super easily. You can see all of the different options. You can do A/B test with different settings to find exactly the one you want. You will have everything side by side to test it out, compare. Like, this is a game changer for content creation using AI. Like, this is a killer feature. This is the video we generated of the game and look at how beautiful it is. Look at it, it's so amazing. Like, it's GTA on Paris. This is absolutely love it. I'm just going to go and download it and show it to you. And boom, we got here the image with the fish. Look at this, looks very, very nice. And now we're going to connect these nodes to a new video node. And we're going to say animate the film so the fish is cooked with slow, smooth movements. Let me also pump up the aspect ratio so you can see higher quality of video output. I think that's a game changer. And we also change the resolution. So let's take a look. Let's see what the output of Seedance 2.0 is going to be. And as I told you, you already seen some very amazing results from Lit Media. You should absolutely try it out. I think it's a game changer. We already done over 10 videos in this platform. I've shown you pretty much everything you ever want to use, you ever need to use. Like, this is a super powerful platform where you can access any model you want across any modality. You don't have to spend money on multiple subscriptions. Everything lives under your account, your Lit Media account. They also got this marketing studio and they also got this prompt agent that helps you with your prompts. And this prompt agent is going to give you loads of different options and prompts, which you can see one by one. I'm not going to complicate the process and I'm just going to click on one of these, click generate. So it puts the prompt here and just click create and boom, your video is going to get created exactly as it was prompted, with very high quality and very big detail. So while the TikTok ad is getting generated, let's see what we created here. Let's look at this beautiful fish getting cooked. Okay, so that was a cool video as well, and you can see here how with the canvas you can combine anything. You can A/B test stuff, see what you like, and move forward with that. Everything looks so beautiful, so clean. You can do changes pretty easily. You can disconnect nodes as well and connect other stuff with each other. It's very, very powerful. Okay, let's see the advertisement now. I'm just going to put it in full screen.
Need power you can carry? Stay on top of work and life. All-day battery, ultra portable.
I love it. This is an amazing advertisement. If you would also go from image to video and put your own laptop there, you could create a great advertisement for your company, for your store, whatever you need. But you see here how also the marketing studio from Lit Media is super powerful to create your own UGC advertisements. And you don't have to even prompt anything. You don't even have to find an original idea. Your agent, by just prompting it, is automatically going to give you anything you need, all of the different scenes, and you can of course adjust if you need to, but it's pretty insane. Like, this is such a great result. Like, I absolutely love it. So make sure to check out Lit Media on the link down below in the description. It's an absolutely amazing platform, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.